The Filipino antonyms puno, which is full in English, and walang laman or empty. Puno, walang laman. Puno, walang laman. Puno ng pag-asa ang kanyang mga mata. His or her eyes are brimming with hope. Puno means full, pag-asa is hope, kanya is his or her, it's gender neutral, and then mata is eye, mga mata eyes. Puno ng pag-asa ang kanyang mga mata. Ang bulsa niya ay walang laman nang umuwi. His or her pocket was bare or empty when he or she went home. So, niya is gender neutral. His or her bulsa is the pocket. Walang laman is empty. And then, uwi means they go home. So, when he went home, when he or she went home, ang bulsa niya ay walang laman nang umuwi. Puno na ang pasensya ko sa inyo. It means that my patience for you is exhausted or full. Puno means full, and then pasensya is patience, ko is I, and then sa inyo is to you with you. Puno na ang pasensya ko sa inyo. Ang lalagyan ng asukal ay walang laman. It means that the sugar container is empty. There's nothing inside. There's no sugar. Lalagyan is a container. Asukal is sugar. Walang laman is empty. Ang lalagyan ng asukal ay walang laman. Once again, when we say puno, that means full in English, and walang laman is empty. Puno, walang laman. Puno, walang laman.